Hi guys, this is how you can make a smocha at home. Start by cooking your smokies with a small amount of water, and after that add a small amount of cooking oil just to make sure that the smokies are brown enough. And after they are ready, like you can see at this point, set them aside. On the same pan, go ahead and add 1 or 2 eggs depending on the amount of smochas that you'd like to make. And like you can see, the egg has cooked on one side, so I went ahead, took one of my chapatis and placed it on the other side of the egg like you see here, just to cook and to make sure that the chapati is hot as well. So after turning to the other side, and after I was confident that the chapati was warm enough, I went ahead and transferred it here just for assembling. So take your smokies and cut it into 2 like you're making a smoky pasua, and you can use 1 smoky, you can use 2, you can use 3 depending on however much you'd like your smocha to be loaded. Then add your veggies. I added onions and tomatoes and an avocado, and then I went ahead and added a little amount of salt, then added these 2 sauces, that is an eggless mayonnaise and tomato sauce. You can use whichever sauce you've got at hand, and after that you just go ahead and fold it. You can also cut your smokies into smaller pieces like you see here. Add your veggies of choice, add your sauces of choice, and then just go ahead and fold that like you can see here. And after you have folded it, cut it into 2 just for easier biting, and your smocha will be ready. Guys, this is a very famous street food in Kenya. We love it. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, and the smocha was very delicious.